Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add an image to your Google Docs space. If you want to add an image to your Google Docs space, here are the process. Very easy to add an image or insert an image. Simply go to top menu bar and here click on 3 vertical dot. And here you will find icon insert image. Here you will find option upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos, cameras or by URL. Choose as per your choice. We will go through upload from computer. Choose the image and click on open. Your image has now successfully been attached, inserted to your Google Docs space. You can easily drag or crop here, and various other feature also available here. You can apply here and simply insert an image to your Google Docs page.